What's up, guys? Welcome back. BeatJunkies.tv. Melo-D here with my man DJ Babu.
What's up, y'all?
Here to talk to you guys specifically about varying your timing with the snare fill releases and how to creatively execute the snare fills pattern and technique at different points within the Sucker MC's bar that we've been using thus far.
So guys, I hope you've watched our previous videos on doing snare fills, and I hope you've been practicing the techniques. This is a really difficult one to master, but now that you have mastered it, now let's start at the beginning of the record of Sucker MCs. We want to show you guys some various patterns. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. The thing that we stress is how you start the pattern off. Using the Steve D swing pattern to start off this technique. From there, it's a matter of doing tight 16th note releases precisely, really knowing where your markers are. Really take note of where all those snares are located and start getting familiar with reading it like a clock. Also too, I think ultimately the point of it is to end on an even bar count.
Yes.
You know, usually when we'll show you our variations, Melo and myself are gonna try and end on a perfect 2 or 1 bar pattern, depending on where we start at. You know, if we start at the top of the Sucker MCs with a kick and all the snares, we hope to complete an even 2 bars. If we start halfway with the last 4 snares, we hope to complete an even 1 bar pattern. So let's get into it. Snare fill variations. Let's go.